In the list of top 10 most followed Indians on Instagram, Shraddha Kapoor stands second. Not because she's a star kid, not because she has a powerful PR team, and definitely not because of a flashy Bollywood lifestyle. She built a 94 million strong community in a way that feels almost effortless. If you're a creator, a brand, or just someone curious how to grow online without chasing trends, this one's for you. Because by the end of this video, you won't just know Shraddha Kapoor's story. You'll walk away with lessons you can apply to yours. Now, before we dive into the how, let's talk about the who. Yes, she's a star kid, daughter of actor Shakti Kapoor. But that doesn't mean her journey was handed to her on a silver plate. In fact, when she started out in Bollywood, she wasn't seen as the next big thing. Her first film didn't make much noise. It was Ashiki 2 that changed the game, not because of hype, but because of heart. And honestly, that same energy flows into her Instagram too. She doesn't force herself into your feed. She invites you in like a friend. And that is where her magic starts. There are 3 big reasons behind her Instagram success. And all of them are things anyone can learn from. The first one, she doesn't talk at her audience. She talks with them. Most celebrities and honestly even creators use Instagram like a megaphone. They broadcast, they promote, they perform. Shraddha doesn't do that. Scroll through her feed and you'll see posts that feel like personal notes, captions that aren't trying to be perfect. They're just real. Photos that aren't always polished, but they feel close, familiar, and that's the power. Because when people feel like you're opening a door, not putting up a billboard, right? They don't just like your post. They lean in. If you're building an audience, that approach changes everything. Because people don't follow content. They follow connection. Now the second thing she gets right, she's not a trend chaser. In a world where everyone jumps on the same audio, the same pose, the same filters, Shraddha chooses what fits her. It's not that she avoids trends altogether. She's aware of what's happening. She gets the language of the platform. But she's selective, intentional. When she does hop on a trend, it blends into her tone. It feels like it belongs to her. She's not trying to go viral for a moment. She's building trust for the long run. And that's something a lot of creators miss. You don't grow by being everywhere. You grow by being you, consistently. Trends come and go, but alignment, that sticks. And then there's the third part. This one's especially interesting if you're a brand or entrepreneur. Shraddha doesn't just do collaborations well. She promotes her own brand with complete authenticity. Take a look at how she features her brand.
3 मेरा लकी नंबर, 3 पति डेब्यू फिल्म, 3 साल पूरे हो गए पद्मनाभ के, इसलिए सिर्फ 3003 में 3 पीसेस दे रहे हैं 30 अप्रैल तक। 3 से और क्या होता है? कितने आदमी थे? सरदार 3 इडियट्स, गांधी जी के 3। अरे हो गई रील, अब टाइम पास कर रही हूँ। यकीन नहीं हो रहा? मत करो। 3 विशेस।
There's no loud buy now energy. No overly produced ad look. Instead it blends. It feels like part of her life, her wardrobe, her aesthetic. The brand fits seamlessly into her world, which makes it easier for her audience to imagine it in theirs. And that's the real flex. You can tell she believes in what she's wearing. And when you believe in the thing you're promoting, people pick up on that. In a time when influencer brand trust is fragile, Shraddha's approach is refreshingly solid. She doesn't sell a product, she shares a vibe. So whether you're trying to grow as a creator, run a brand, or just build something that actually lasts, remember this. You don't need to be loud to stand out. You just need to be in sync with who you are and what you want to say. That's it. Everything you need to grow on Instagram and elevate your presence to the next level. If you found this helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more tips that will keep you ahead of the game. See you next time. Peace out.